Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is actually the second time I'm filming this because the first one didn't have no sound because of my mic. I don't know what the hell was going on with that, so that was irritating. So this is the second time that I'm filming this video, and this is something new that I want to show you guys, a new project that I want to work on. So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, I want to do a project pan, and I'm going to do 5 items only because I don't want to do too many of them. I don't want to dig myself in a hole and then I can't finish it. I guess it wouldn't be a problem, but I just kind of want to pick the 5 only because they've been sitting in my drawer and I do want to finish them up. But if you guys want to see what I picked, then keep on watching. We're going to start off with the face product. So the first product is the Pores No More Pores by Dr. Brandt, and this is a travel size primer. I've bought it a little while back and I love it. I've used it, but I just have so many primers that I just stopped using it because I just when you buy a lot of makeup, you forget that you have stuff in your drawer. And definitely, because this is expensive, I think this one is like $20. So I want to go ahead and finish it up. I want to give myself probably until like June to finish these products up, only because I wear makeup every day, but it's like for work and I don't do anything crazy for work. I just do like the minimal. So I don't even use primers before my foundation for work. I just use my moisturizer and then do my foundation. So I want to change it up and get up a little bit earlier because I got to get myself ready and then the kids ready, so it's kind of hard to crunch time. But I definitely will get up earlier to use a primer before my foundation, so that way we can go ahead and use it up. I want to use it up. It's been sitting there and it needs to be used. So the setting that I have here is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Powder Pressed Powder Compact. So I bought this when it first came out. I want to say it was last year or maybe even longer. I was using it regularly for a while when I first bought it. If you guys can tell there, I've been using it. But, I bought in so many powders since then that I just like to use all the stuff, like new stuff, and I use it and then I get stuck on it. But I definitely do love this powder and it's very affordable. It's just been sitting there, so I do want to hit pan on this. By the summertime, I want to use it up. So that way it's not just sitting in my drawer because it's just taking up space. So I definitely do want to use it up. And, this is amazing powder. I just forgot it was there. So next one that I want to show you guys is a Smashbox Suntan Matte Bronzer. And actually this bronzer, they don't even make it anymore. It got discontinued a while back. So you guys, I've been having this bronzer for a long time, and I'm actually wearing it today, and I do love it. I just have so many bronzers that I have in there and I use, and I was kind of scared to use this one up only because they don't sell it anymore. It's discontinued and it's very pretty bronzer, but I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and hit pan on it and just use it up, and I'll just keep the packaging. And then this has like a lifespan of 2 years, 24 months, so it's been longer than that, very long time since I bought it. And yeah, that's mainly why I just didn't want to use it all up, because they don't sell it anymore. So it was just sad. But you know what, I've been watching all these videos on the project pans, and I was like, you know what, we're just gonna try it out, we're gonna do it and then just hit pan on it. I'm gonna try because I got a lot of bronzers, but I'm gonna try to use this one up. It's a very gorgeous color, so that's what I'm gonna try to do, you guys. One that I have is a NYX Base eyeshadow. This one is in the color Skin Tone, and actually this is my second one that I've actually bought in, and I just haven't used it as much since I bought it the second time, because what I've been doing is, like I said, I've worked all week. So when I do my makeup, I've been using just my concealer and been putting it on my eyes, and it just cuts time in half for me for work if I just use a concealer. But like I said, I'm going to try to make it a project of mine to get up a little bit earlier and use this, because I only use my eyeshadow base on the weekends you know, but I'm gonna make it where we're gonna use this every day, girl. We're gonna do this and we're gonna use it all up. So I want to use it up by June. So I just don't want to have it sitting there, and I love it. So I was like, why not, you know, throw it in the project pan. The next thing that I want to show you guys is this Tom Ford eyeliner, and this one is pretty old, and I'm also wearing that today on my eyes. It's pretty old because I want to tell you guys, if you guys watch Rosita Applebaum, she hauled it, and then I was like, oh, I need that, because I was like, well, I'm still in love with her. I love her. I love watching her channel. I like everything that she bought. I was like, yeah, I need that. So it's like years. This is like years old, and there's like still product in there. Like it's still coming out black, and it's still going. And you know, I don't wear eyeliner every day, but we're gonna make it a goal that we're gonna wear it every day, and we're gonna use this up so that way it's gone and I can just get rid of it. Usually I use the Balm Schwink eyeliner. That one is like really good too, but that one is newer than this one, so I want to go ahead and use that up so that way we can just get rid of it and be done with it, and you know, throw it in there in the project so we can get it all done. So I've only picked 5 products because I didn't want to dig myself into a hole. Like I said, I want to see how this goes, and I want to see if you guys like these type of videos. If you guys like me posting these type of videos, you guys can definitely let me know, and if you guys do, I can definitely do more stuff, you know, do more projects. I have a lot more stuff in there that needs to be done. I can do another declutter video. That one will be out before this video. Definitely let me know if you guys want to see more project pans. This is my first one. You guys will give me a chance if I ain't doing it right, but or is there a right way that you do it, you know? So yeah, so I want to do that, and let me know if you guys like them. Thank you guys so much for always watching and always supporting me, and you know, still hanging on there with me. And you know, like, I'm always gonna keep bringing it up that I've been gone, and I want to make a whole separate video on like why more, because there's more, you know, that I want to talk to you guys about, but that's going to be a whole separate video. But thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me, and hopefully you guys don't get annoyed with me and get bored with me. I'm going to make more content for you guys so you guys don't get bored with me. I hope you guys stay here with me, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.